In this lesson, let's learn about pip, the standard package manager for Python. Python comes by default with a collection of built-in functions, such as the print function, and built-in packages, such as the math or OS library. However, because Python is a general-purpose language, packages for specific use cases need to be separately installed by the user. This includes data science packages, such as Scikit-Learn and stats model. The installation is handled through pip, the standard package manager for Python. First things first, read the documentation through pip-h. Pip has a variety of commands and option flags designed to manage Python packages. Secondly, note that you can print the pip version the same way you print the Python version. It's important that the pip version is compatible with the Python version. Here we see that pip 19.1.1 is compatible with Python 3.5. If pip is giving you an upgrade warning, you can upgrade pip using itself via pip install --upgrade pip. Before we do any installing, it's a good idea to see what's already installed. Using pip list on the command line prints an alphabetical list of all the Python packages in your current Python environment. To install a library that's not currently installed, as indicated by pip list, the syntax is pip install followed by the library name. In this case, we're installing Scikit-Learn. You might notice from the logs though, it looks like more than one Python package is being installed in this one single pip install call. This is because pip will automatically install Scikit-Learn as well as any other Python packages that it is dependent on to operate. We call these other packages dependencies. By default, pip install will always install the latest version of the library. Here we have installed Scikit-Learn version 0.21.3. If we wish to install an older version of Scikit-Learn, we simply have to specify it during the install statement with double equal signs like so. If your package is already installed and simply out of date, upgrade the package the same way you upgraded pip earlier. Pip will automatically take care of any dependency upgrades as well. To pip install more than one Python package, the packages can be listed in line with the same pip install command as long as they are separated by spaces. Here, we're installing both Scikit-Learn and stats models in one go. We can also upgrade multiple packages in one command. If you want to install many packages at once, you can save them one package per line in a text file called requirements.txt. If we preview the file, it looks like this. It's conventional for Python package developers to create a requirements file listing all dependencies for pip to find and install. The -r option flag in pip allows pip install to install packages from the file specified after the option flag. Keep in mind that naming this file requirements.txt is convention, but not required. In our example, pip install -r requirements will have the same effect as pip install Scikit-Learn stats model. However, imagine how much messier this could be if we had, say, 10 packages to install. Using the requirements file method is much cleaner.